Okay, so let's look at problem 2 that was most missed, and this was actually problem 2. So it says Jeremiah paid $29.52 for a pair of boots that were on sale. Okay. The original price of the boots was $36. Enter the percentage of the discount for the cost of the boots. So this is where we have to do our ratios. So I'm going to try with an equation editor and see if that works. So we have to do a set of ratios that'll be equal to each other. Okay. So I know that I want to find the percentage that the amount was off. So let's find out first. I always like to find out, okay, what was the amount of money that he saved buying the boots? So I'm going to figure out what is 36.00 minus let's see. Sorry, it makes me use the equation editor. Minus the 29.52. Okay, I want to figure that out and see how much is it the discount was on the pair of boots. So if I do that, I take 36 and I subtract 29.52. I find out that the discount was $6.48. Okay, so I know that is the amount that was the discount. So now I've got to create my two ratios. Okay, so I'm going to do that right here. So if I create my two ratios, so I will have, I want to know what the 6%, $6.48 is of the 36, how much of a discount that is. So I'm going to put 6.48 and I'm going to turn that into a fraction. Okay. So let's see, where is the fraction bar here? Should let me make a fraction. Maybe. It might not like to make a fraction. No, it doesn't look like it. Okay, so if I put that over the $36, okay, so I'm going to make a ratio. For some reason, it doesn't want to let me make it a fraction. Oops, sorry. Let's go back up to the problem we were just on. So if I put that $6.48 over the $36, then I can do that ratio. So let me draw a line. No, I don't want to highlight. There we go. So if I draw a line underneath it, so I made a ratio, okay? And I know that these two are going to be equal to each other. So the two ratios that I'm going to write are going to be equal to each other. Okay, so I'm going to put, oops, it's covering where I want to type. So let's get rid of it. Okay, so I know that they're going to be equal to each other. So then on the top of this one, I don't know what the discount is. Okay, so if I knew what the discount was, I would put it in here. When I don't know what the discount's going to be, I'm going to put X in its place. Okay, because I don't know what the discount percentage is. On the bottom, I'm going to put what the actual percentage, what's the most percent we can ever have, like on a test, which would be 100 would go in the bottom of my ratio. So now I have to do my cross multiplication. Okay, so I'm going to put that in a text box over here because it's way easier. So I'm going to cross multiply. So I'm going to have 36 times x is equal to 6.48 times 100. So I'm cross multiplying. So I can't do anything with the 36x. So 36x is equal to, and if I multiply 6.48 times 100, I get 648. Okay. And then the next step, I need to get the x by itself. So I'm going to divide both sides by 36. Okay. So I'm going to do, let me do this. I think it'll make it easier. Let's see. Nope, that's not what I want. Oops. Okay, so it's not letting me underline, so we're just going to leave it the way it is. So we're going to divide both sides by 36. Okay. And if I move over, we're going to divide this side by 36 also. So when I do that, and I don't know why it changed color in the middle of my text box, but we're just going to go with it. So if I divide both sides by 36, I will get that x equals, and if I divide, let's see, what is 648 divided by 36, and I get 18. So the discount is 18%. So that is my total discount that was off of the pair of boots. Okay, so now try number 2. The problem is very similar, just different numbers. Put in your answers on the formative and then go on to the next problem.